Hi everyone, today I'm making sheet pan pancakes and I'm taking fruit cocktail, I'm straining it, put the banana, I'm put on top, 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 3 cups of just add water pancake mix, and butter. I butter my pan. Alright, here we go. Okay, here it is. I'll blend it up in the sheet pan. And here's my fruit cocktail. Now, if you have fresh fruit, by all means, please use that. It tastes good. It tastes good both ways. But I ran out of fruit, so here we are with the fruit cocktail. I'm straining it, and I'm gonna toss some bananas on top with it, and bake about 425 for about 12 minutes or until it's brown to your liking. Here we go. So here is how it looks once you put the fruit cocktail and the bananas. I also added some pecans because I like a little crunch, but I only put it on one side. Time for the oven. And here is the finished product. Yum. Just slice and add syrup.